Stop it. Stop.
Let's play.
Stop. I hate you. Okay.
Okay, guys. So welcome back to
Our YouTube video.
and today we're gonna be showing you guys how to do the secret sauce. Even though it's secret, so we can't really show you.
From In-N-Out.
Yes, from In-N-Out. Oh, and by the way,
We're
look
twinning.
at my jacket. It's better. You know, it's nice. Oh yeah, we're also twinning.
Okay, so
Oh wait, it's different.
it is different. Okay, whatever.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is a mixing bowl.
Who was in my room and didn't turn the lights off?
Next, you're gonna need 2 spoons. I don't know why, I just got 2.
Cause there's 2 of us.
Then you're gonna need a cuchillo.
If you don't have relish,
If you don't have relish, you need a cuchillo and some dill pickles.
or you could get another brand.
And then we have mustard,
There's perfect lighting in here.
ketchup,
There's perfect lighting in here.
and mayonnaise.
There's perfect lighting in here.
So
Okay.
I really don't know how to make it. She does, so she can do whatever she wants.
Okay, so first step, you need to grab some mayonnaise, which we usually grab the best foods. Cause
I'm gonna start
it is-
cutting up the pickles because we don't have relish.
Yeah, so she's gonna start cutting up those pickles, and you know how to cut them up, right? Like in really cute. Well, you know what relish is. Okay, the cuchillo right here.
Stop it. Stop.
Let's play.
Stop. I hate you. Okay, continue what you're doing.
Okay, so you need to add. It depends how much you guys want. Since there's a lot of us, or yeah, a lot of us. I'm just gonna. Oh my god. I'm gonna add 2 spoons for right now. You know. Okay.
Okay.
Are you finally making an appearance?
Then you're gonna add this.
It's gonna taste so good because you guys are making it. Stop. Mom told me to make it.
Yeah, I
So-
don't know why she would tell you to make it. God damn, where's the lid?
You need to shake this. Shake, shake.
Where's the mother effing lid?
Are these good enough?
And then put some ketchup.
Ew.
You're not good enough.
And then I'm not gonna add the mustard right now because I don't even know how much to add. So, hold up, I'm missing something. Pepper. You have pepper?
Pepper.
Paprika?
Don't add too much pepper, guys.
Okay, she doesn't need pepper.
Okay. So then I don't need pepper.
Pickles are so good.
Okay, I'm gonna need more.
Are these good? Are these good, mommy?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
More mayonnaise, Jaslyn.
Yes, I heard her. Kaylani. God damn. So then we're just mixing this, as you guys can see. And it's turning in. So right now we just need to taste it a little bit, you know? Want to taste it?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is when the second spoon comes in handy. Because you don't want to get the other spoon dirty.
Yeah, what she said.
That's what she said.
That was so not funny.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So basically right now what I'm doing.
We need a lot more. We need like 20 times
Do
more.
I look like I'm done?
Oh, sorry. Goddamn. Okay. Take a chill pill. Okay. We're going to add some more Hutz ketchup.
No, really? Oh my god. Continue.
And right now I'm putting in some pepper. You don't want to add that much. It depends how much she actually did.
We're cooking.
You're not even chopping.
Yes. Okay. Does that look like chopped? Yes.
Okay, now add that in here.
Do I look like I'm done?
No, but you could add it in there still. Because we need some color into this. We're
Pickles
going to
don't give it
screw this,
color.
all this stuff up. I swear, like.
Bro, I know. Okay, well, anyways, we're making this for the hamburgers because we're making comida outside.
Yeah, you know?
2,000 years later.
Okay, good job. Oh my god, Kaylani, if you would have my finger off, that's not funny. That's not. I'm not lying. I'm not laughing.
I scraped off her skin.
No, you didn't even touch my skin. Okay, that's good. Hold up.
You guys are not done?
No.
We need to eat everything.
Eat. Just use some
We're
mayo.
waiting on you guys to finish.
Okay, we're testing this.
No, we're taking a good amount of time.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, but that needs more mayo. That's too sour.
Ew.
Like, for reals though.
This is probably gonna be so bad. 7 a.m. in the morning, she's calling, I'm yawning.
Adi! Want to taste this for us?
No, because that's ketchup in it.
I just didn't like ketchup. Here, I'll taste it. I'll taste it.
What?
I don't like ketchup.
I'll taste it.
Oh my god. Is it gross?
I don't know. I don't know how it's supposed to taste. Like,
So
Taste it,
how
taste
did
it.
you know you were making it right?
no, she's making it. I'm
making it.
I'm cutting up pickles.
Just taste it, just taste it.
You taste it.
I already tasted it,
She
but I
tasted-
can't taste my own food.
Okay.
Go ask them. I don't know.
Wait, no, it's not ready.
It's not ready.
We need,
It's bad.
we need more pickles.
Okay, so it's fine, guys. Look.
Okay, well, anyways, this pickle doesn't want to cut, so I'm gonna eat it.
They said it tastes fine, and then you can come eat your burger now.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna
so here's
pickle.
that.
Just eat that. No, that's in a pickle. She said it's fine. Everything's fine. I can stay serious for a long time.
Here you go.
All right, guys.
Hold up, I take it out of here.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching my video. You know, I did most of the work, but yeah, she got mad because
Cough, cough.
she didn't want to do the outro. She just did it like really fast, but you have to make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as me and my beautiful neighbor always say, we'll be back with more videos. Peace. Ah!
Yes, and turn up the